What's going on, guys? If you're struggling with reviews, I'm going to give you an insight to an incredible project called Nice Job. Now, I'll make a few videos on this, teaching you different ways that you can utilize it, but the main thing I want to get across to you is without reviews, you truly will never know how good a company or a project is. Without the comments on this video or the reviews, we wouldn't have a clue if we were doing the right thing. So keep leaving them comments, keep hitting the like button, and let's get in. So here it is, guys. The link down below is actually going to get you the most up-to-date deal that you can get, okay? Now, let's have a look. So this is what it looks like when you come onto the dashboard and you want to get reviews. All right, this is your story. So let's start with creating a story. I'm going to fast forward this bit so you don't see all my pictures, but I'll put one on. So I'm going to make a story about the Old Harbour Dive Center. All right, it's a dive center where I go scuba diving. Now I want to write a comment, something like, ever since diving, I've never felt this good. Okay, now you can create this story. You can actually add a location to it. So let's say, where are we? We're in sunny England. Okay, you can add a tag. So I want this to be to do with scuba diving. Add this as well, and we can get reviews for your story. All you got to do is send the names off. Okay, again, I'll go in deep into how exactly to work all these parts in a different video. Now, you click invite, and you can invite all these people to it. What I want you to do is then click create a story, and your story will be created. Here it is. Okay, you can share that, copy the link, and you can edit it or unpublish it and delete it. Now, let's talk about how you can use the settings, because this can actually be used with multiple different systems. So if you actually go down, okay, and have a look at the product settings, you can see everything we've got here. So collect your apps. We've got Clio, FreshBooks, Housecall, all these going down. One of the biggest ones that I see, PayPal, Square. Okay, really easy, and you can connect them all to this, log in, and just get honest feedback from your customers. Okay, looking at the social media apps, we've got everyone that you would need as well. The review sites, this list just does not stop going on. Okay, you can get in your referral side. There's many ways that you can actually engage with your customers here. Okay, going back, then we've got the people. So start adding your customers in here, import all your contacts in, whatever kind of file you want to do it, so you've got them. And if you want to start a campaign, you can. So let's start a review campaign. Okay, what this is going to show you is everything that's going on with the review that you have just done. Now, you've got your insights here. So looking at reviews, the leaderboard, campaigns, topics. Obviously, once you started going through these stories, guys, you're going to see all of the analytics on here. I'm on the free trial right now. When I upgrade, so I can see what happens in my business, probably not going to show you the insights, but I will tell you an update on it. Okay, now guys, Nice Job has got so many reviews itself, and I'd probably guess that because it's a reviewing company. But look, the fastest implementation in 2022, highest performer of small businesses, highest user adoption. It's incredible how many people are talking about this. All right, if you don't really understand after this video, just book a call. It'll be a lot better. Okay, over company grew 60%. These are real reviews. How it works, obviously I've showed you how you can do that. Now you can actually win more reviews, become top rated in this, increase your credibility in your conversation rate, over 10% more sales guaranteed. Or guess what happens? You get your money back. All right, if you don't get 10% more sales, you get your money back. It pays for itself, guys. It literally pays for itself, as it says. You can start for free, or you can get your money back if it doesn't even do its job. So get reviewing, and down below, please leave us a review, okay? Let us know in the comments if you're liking this channel, if there's anything you want us to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.